Hello children, welcome back to your English 1 classes. So today we will start the second term syllabus of English 1, and in that the first chapter comes is lesson 8, that is verbs. Okay, so today we will study about verbs. Now what are verbs? Doing words are called verbs, or we can say words which shows actions are called verbs. I repeat, words that shows actions are called verbs, or doing words are called verbs. Now what are doing words? So words that tells what a person, animal or thing does is called doing words. Means whatever action you are doing, that is all doing words, or you can say all are verbs. Like if I say, suppose if I say, take the example of person. Okay, so what persons can do? Person, like we can eat, we can drink, okay, we can sleep. Okay, what are the action you do in the class? You read, you write, isn't it? Okay. You read, you write, you play, you talk. You talk a lot in the class, no? You talk, you run, you jump, isn't it? When teacher punishes you, you cry. Okay, so these all words like eat, drink, sleep, read, write, play, talk, run, jump, cry, laugh, these are all action words. Okay, these are showing something is happening, right? Some action is going on. So all these words which are showing actions are called verbs. Now I said what a person, animal or thing does. So let's talk about animals. Like if I talk about a dog, what a dog can do? Tell me. A dog can bark, isn't it? A dog can bark. A dog can run. A dog can eat. A dog can sleep. Now let us talk about a monkey. What a monkey does? Monkey can climb. A monkey can swing. Let us talk about birds. What birds can do? Bird can fly. Bird can sing. Isn't it? So barking, running, eating, climb, swing, fly, sing, these are all what? These are all action words. They means showing some kind of action. So these are known as doing words, and doing words are known as verbs. So all the words that denote some kind of action, they are known as verbs. If I talk about the thing, okay, if I say, suppose if I say the bell rings. Okay, so bell is a thing, right? It is not a person, it is not an animal, it is a thing. So what action is done by this bell? Rings. Okay, so this is also showing action. So this is also verb. If I say the tap drips. Okay, drips means water is running out or leaking out. So this is also a thing, right? And what action is done by this thing? Drips. This is also verb. So we see rings, drips, and whatever action is done by anything, that is also verb. So the words which shows action done by person, animal or thing are known as verbs. So children, I hope it is clear now what is verb. The doing words are called verbs. So open your book, page number 29. Let us do the exercise part of these verbs. And one thing more I want to tell you children, that we know that verbs tells about the action, okay, and these verbs change according to the tense. Okay, now what is a tense? So that I will tell you in next class, but as for now, tense tells us about time. Okay, tense tells us about time, and there are basically three types of tenses, that is present tense, past tense and future tense. Okay, so that we will discuss in next lecture, and today we will study about just action words. Okay, so open page number 29. Your first exercise is underline the verbs in the following sentences. One has been done for you. Now first one is Jack ran down the hill. Now what is the action done by Jack? Ran. Okay, Dorna. Dorna is the action. So it is already underlined, ran. Miss Muffet sat on a low stool. Now what action Miss Muffet is doing? Sat. Baithna. It is action. So you underline sat. Okay. Sat is written. So you underline sat. Third one. A spider frightened Miss Muffet away. Now what action is done by spider? Frightening. Darana. Right. So frightened is the verb here. June sang a song for us. Now what action June is the name of a girl. What action June is doing? Sang, singing. Gana is the action. So you underline sang. Fifth, the piper played a sweet tune on his pipe. Now here verb is played. Bajana, played. Grandmother told us a story about fairy folk. So what action is being done by grandmother? Told. Batana. Right? So you underline told. Told is a verb. Zara and Sohail did their homework in the evening. Now here see, the action is being a state. Did. Okay. So did is the doing word here. Action showing. So it is a verb. The princess combed her long black hair with a silver comb. Now action being done is combing. Okay. So combed is the verb. Anya ate a sandwich and drank a glass of orange juice. Now see, there are two actions going on here. Ate, khana and drank, pina. Two actions are there. So you will underline ate, 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 and drank. Okay. Two verbs are here, ate, drank. Veer brushed his teeth and washed his face. Now here, again, two actions are there. First is brushing the teeth and washing the face. Okay. So two verbs are there. Underline brushed, washed. Okay. Two verbs, brushed and washed. Now, the bell rang and they ran out of the classroom. So what action is being done by bell? Rang. Rang is the past tense of ring. Okay. Bajna. R-A-N-G. Rang. So underline rang. And also ran out. Running. Dorna is also an action. So you underline rang and ran. Okay. Rang and ran. Two verbs are there. Ragini lost her doll and cried all day long. Now here, see, here again two verbs are there. First action done by Ragini is losing the ball, khona. It is also showing some action. Okay, so lost is a verb, and cried. Crying is also an action. So lost, cried. There are two verbs here. Varun rode his bicycle to school. Now rode means what? It's a past tense of riding. Cycle chalana. Chalana. That is the verb. So rode you underline. Rode. Megha watched television while Zara read a book. Now again two actions showing. One is watching television and second reading a book. So two action verbs are there. So first you underline watched and second you underline read. R-E-A-D, read. We made greeting cards for our friends. Again, your action done by we is of making, that is past tense is made. Okay, so you underline made. Made is the verb. So again I just take a quick recap of first means this A exercise. 1 is already given, 2 sat, 3rd frightened, 4th sang, 5th played, 6th told, 7th did, 8th combed, 9th ate and drank, 10th brushed, washed, 11th rang, ran, ran, 12th lost, cried, 13th rode, R-O-D-E, rode, 14th watched, read, 15th made. Okay, so these are the verbs here. Now let's see the B1. Fill in the blanks with suitable verbs from the given list. Okay, some words are given in the box and we have to fill in the blanks using these words. Raman dashed his bag and got ready for school. So what will be the first answer? It will be packed. Let me write here. Raman packed his bag. So first one will be packed. Second, please wear your jackets before going out. Wear. Third, Zoya cried when she lost her favorite story book. Third one is cried. Fourth, Riju was late and he ran to catch the bus. Ran. Varun lifted his bat and hit the ball for a 6. Hit. The visitor rang the doorbell, so it and also knocked on the door. So rang will be the answer. Rang. 7. Okay, I'm sorry. Sixth one is Meena turned the pages of the book until she found the picture. Turned. 7. The visitor rang the doorbell and also knocked on the door. Rang. 8th one. Ratan rowed the boat across the river. Rowed. On the page. 9th. Saina ran and then jumped easily over the hurdle. Jumped. 10th one. Mr. Rao lifted the heavy suitcase into the boot of the car. Lifted. 11th. Vishal loves to play football and cricket. Loves. 12th. The tailor cut the grey cloth with his big scissors. Cut. Okay. So first one is packed. Second wear. Third cried. Fourth ran. Fifth hit. Sixth turned. Seventh rang. Eighth rode. R-O-W-E-D. 9th jumped. 10th lifted. 11th loves. And 12th cut. Now let us see the C1 also. Manjeet is getting ready for school. Pick out the verbs from the paragraph and write them in the blanks given below. You should have 12 verbs. Okay. So some pictures are given and just below that one paragraph is written, given, and we have to pick out the verbs from them. Okay. So first sentence, Manjeet rose early in the morning. Rose is the past tense of rise. Okay. Uthna. So you underline rose because the action what Manjeet is doing is of rising, means rose. Okay. So underline rose. He brushed his teeth. Underline brushed. Bathed and wore his uniform. Underline bathed wore. Okay, so in second sentence, brushed, bathed and wore. 3 words. He combed his hair and went into the kitchen. Again, combed is one action, underline it. And went. Went is the past tense of go. So it is showing action. So combed, went. 2 verbs. His mother cut cucumber and cheese into neat slices for sandwiches. Now what action is done by mother? Cut. Okay. So cut is the action. Underline cut. He ate cornflakes with milk and an apple. Now what action is done by him? Ate. Okay. He then waited at the gate. Again, action is done by him of waiting. Intezar karna. That is also an action. So you underline waited. Until his school bus arrived. Arrived is also an action. Ana. Okay. So underline waited, arrived. So again I repeat. Rose, brushed, bathed, wore, combed, went, cut, put, sat, ate, waited, arrived. These are the verbs. So children, I hope it is clear to you. I repeat, what are verbs? The words which denotes or which tells us about action are called verbs. Thank you.